Hey YouTube, Mark here with actually this time a rare unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing for a bit since my big one. So I ordered these basically when I first got home and I just got them. So I'm kind of excited. I took them out of the box. Usually I do hauls, so I got a bunch of bottles, but this time it's more of an unboxing. I only got 2 bottles. So let's take a look at what I have. I'm wearing Armani code right now today, so I can't really spray it on my skin. So I'll give you an initial impression of these bottles that I've purchased, just not on my skin. So I've sprayed them a little bit in the cap just to see what I'm getting. So I'll give you an initial impression. So this is the first one. This is Prada Infusion de Vetiver. Now the bottle actually looks just like Prada Infusion d'Homme. The only thing different is the cap and the side where it tells you what's in it. My initial impressions of this fragrance. Now Prada, keep in mind, have made fairly squeaky clean fragrances. Amber Pour Homme, Infusion d'Homme, very squeaky clean. This one, with Vetiver, I was like, oh, okay. But this has, I'm feeling some pepper out of this one. So definitely something a little different from the Prada house. So I'm really excited about putting this on my skin, giving it a try, because Prada fragrances, they last on my skin. Especially for clean fragrances, they last really, really well. They're done well, so I'm really excited to try Prada Infusion de Vetiver. Now my next bottle is the one that got all the glitz, the glamour on my blog when I first announced that I got this. It's from the Tom Ford private collection. And this is called Tobacco Vanille. Now I got a small bottle. I got the 50 ml. I kind of cheaped out on it. Hey, I'm buying a house. I got to cheap out a little bit now. Box kind of cool. Very, very elegant. This is the bottle. Now all the bottles from the private collection look like this. It's got Tom Ford on the top. So nice presentation, I'll say. My first impression, I'll tell you guys right now. There's tobacco and there's vanilla. But very interesting tobacco note here, and I'm super excited about this one. I got a sample of this. I haven't tried it because I bought the bottle right away when I came home. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. So this one is definitely, I'm gonna have to keep you guys posted on this one, because I'm so impressed that I'm looking for more from the Tom Ford private collection. So if anybody owns any different ones from this, let me know what's good in this private collection from Tom Ford. So that's it, guys. That's my unboxing. Just 2 bottles this time. I'm looking forward to my next purchase. I purchased 4 bottles. I'm waiting for them in the mail, so I can't wait to receive those. If you haven't checked out my blog, check it out. I got a Creed, I got a Bond, I got a Le Labo, and I got a Healy fragrance. So check that out. But these are my 2 newest fragrances. Thanks for watching, guys.